Had an amazing experience learning how to take care of the rescued elephants. All of the staff are very accommodating, kind, and ecstatic. It shows that they really love their jobs. This is definitely recommended, at Cairo Official. It's a very pleasant experience. The elephants are well treated and the staff is very pleasant. It's important to remember to bring a change of clothes and a swimsuit/outfit for going in the water. If there's a highest rate than 5, I'll definitely give it. Super enjoyed and fun experience. Also they're taking good care of the elephants, that's why we choose this tour. We also experience how to feed the elephants, walk with them, mud spa, bath with them and also how to make them vitamins. Kudos to the staff and also the tour guide, red heart emoji. The experience is superb. A must visit when in Bangkok. The staffs are accommodating and attentive to tourists. The price is worth it in exchange for the experience and food. And lastly, the clothes are very clean and have good smell to wear. If there is a 10-star, I would probably rate it. If you love elephants, then this package is for you. I had an amazing time learning about the elephants and how to feed them. There was a lot of time to interact with the elephants and the staff took video and pictures for you with your camera/phone. I personally didn't get in the water to bathe the elephants because the water was dirty. They gave you clothes to wear and you can rent boots for 50 bahts. You can use a locker for 100 baht which is reimbursed once you turn in the key. As an added bonus, lunch was delicious. I am a vegetarian and was able to eat. I would definitely do it again. This package is kid-friendly. Great experience, good for adults and kids. Full services. Just the driver pickup service need to be improved. We were the first group and waited 1.5 hours for the other 3 groups to be picked up at different locations. Such a waste of time and we're late. The Elephant Park, definitely go. It was really good and I was so happy. If I think that the elephants can be fed with the money I paid because of this program, I don't spend any money. It's not obvious. It can be a special Bangkok trip. They are so kind. I will come here again with a specialist. And I think Koreans might be confused, so let me explain. Transfer, greater than transportation. And, 1 to 3 people, etc. all mean that you have to pay for transportation separately. The difference is whether it's a group departure or just us departing. The 3rd and 4th times, they send transportation there, but you have to pay for transportation separately. He-ut the 2nd time means that you come on your own. This is a fun and amazing experience. We're able to have a very hands-on experience on how to create turbo inhalers and how to take care of elephants. We're able to feed the elephants, create their vitamins and bathe them. We also had a very good and filling lunch and it was very convenient going from the hotel to the venue, vice versa because of the included transfer service. This elephant park is fairly new, however, their service is impeccable. From the transfer from the hotel to the park, they were already on time and with comfortable car. The whole program was scheduled properly and was well worth our time. 100% must experience. A must. These are rescued elephants from circus, labor and other amusements. The coordinators are such good people and they made sure everyone was comfortable. They speak 2 to 4 languages which is amazing. This is an ethical interaction with the elephants, therefore, there are no riding whatsoever. Let's not support those kind of activities. We will surely come back as my love for elephants has only gotten stronger. I hope they rescue more poor elephants in the future, but most importantly, I hope the abuse for these animals stop. Praying gesture emoji. The experience was good. We enjoyed the time with the elephants. The food was also good. An aspect to improve would probably be the route from one hotel to another. Picking up guests from diff hotels took almost 2 hours. We stopped by 2 or 3 hotels with no guests who came with us. Not sure if they cancelled last minute or the driver wasn't sure. It was such a waste of time considering the traffic. We could have spent more time at the park.